Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming compatibility. Check device model and carrier support for eSIM calling. Once confirmed, open Settings and choose the eSIM/Add Cellular option. You need the QR code or activation code now. If your carrier provides an app, install it and sign in. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi and the phone has adequate battery so the download finishes uninterrupted. Starting immediately with these prerequisites gets you into the activation flow without backtracking or dropped enrollment attempts. Now you'll add the eSIM profile. Scan the QR code or manually type the activation code into the Add Cellular screen. Once the profile installs, assign that line for voice and data. Choose primary or secondary for calls and messages depending on your needs. Go into cellular settings to set your default line for calls and iMessage if applicable. Restart the phone to let the carrier provision services. This flushes network caches and helps the line appear as active and ready to call. Finish by placing a test call to confirm inbound and outbound voice work. Also send an SMS if the carrier uses that for verification. If it fails, toggle airplane mode, let the phone reconnect, and reselect the cellular network. Next, try removing and reinstalling the eSIM profile. If problems persist, note the ICSID and activation code and contact your carrier for provisioning errors. Doing these final checks ensures you understand both how it works and the quick fixes when it doesn't.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.